Hi, myself Diksha, and this is my task 5.1C of SIT 313, that is about conditional rendering. So, as let's take a look at the code first. Here is the app.js, and it only contains the new post, and because new post is my main component, so that's why it only contains new post, as it renders all the other components on the screen when we call it. So let's first see the interface. Here, so that's my interface right here. um, in the very beginning, I added a question that goes like, got something on your mind, and then create a new post. After that, I put the question part as a default and then a drop down menu. In the question part, we got a title and details and then a post question button. And if I choose article, then there goes title, content, and a URL. URL can be typed or pasted or written. That's why I added it here, and then a post article button. So let's take a look at our code. Here is the code. As our only main component is new post, so let's jump to the new post. The app CSS is here, and our new post JS is here. So we can see that the main logic is in the new post JS, and at the top I use React's use state hook to store which type of post the user wants to create, either a question or article, and I by default set it to the question. Then I have a drop down menu for the choices, and when the user wants to change the value, the state updates. After that, I use conditional rendering here, and sorry, that it's here. Here is the conditional rendering when it shows when the user chooses the form part, then the question form will appear, and if it chooses article form, then the article components will appear. So let's now have a first of all, let's see the new post CSS. Here the CSS file, and now we will see the question form and then the article form JS. Here is the question form JS, and the question part is quite simple. Here, so let's change this to the question part. So here goes the title and the detail. When a user entered these values then and submit it, then an alert is generated that the information is entered successfully. Let's have a test here. I have a sample title of a question and its content. Let's paste it and check it. That's the title of the question. And here is the detailed question about what question is asking. And if we post the question, so here is a pop-up that tells about what the question title is and what is its detail. And here it shows question posted. Then we will click OK. So that's all about the question form. Next is question form CSS. It's here. And then let's move on to the article form. Here is the article form. Article form and question form are quite same in their format. If we switch to the article form, here are three columns. We can add more columns about the user preferences as well. And let's test it also. Here I have sample info for post article as well. Here is the title of the post, and that's the article content. And here is the URL. And if we post the article, we can see again a pop-up that shows in the top heading is article posted. And after that, there is a title, content, and the URL of the article as well. Then when we click OK, it will be gone. And here is the CSS file of article form. And if we see, here is the index.js file. And that's all from my side for the task 5.1c, that is about conditional rendering.